Very good evening, children. Today I am going to explain poem first of your textbook, Hornbill Class 11. The name of the poem is A Photograph by Shelley Tolson. There are 3 stanzas in the poem and total there are 19 lines. The first stanza depicts her mother's childhood days, means it presents her mother's childhood days. And the second stanza, mother used to talk with the poet about her childhood days. And in the last stanza, the poet Shelley Tolson recalls her mother old memories. Okay, now let me explain you line by line. Okay, the cardboard shows me how it was when the 2 girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and she the big girl some 12 years or so. So the poet is watching a photo frame of her mother, and in that photo frame her mother was there in the mid center, and her 2 female girl cousins were also there. They had gone to enjoy their holidays on a beach, by the side of the ocean, and the 2 girls were holding hands of her mother from each side. Okay, and she the big girl, among these 3 girls, her mother was the biggest girl and she was 12 years at that time. Now let me tell you the poetic device used in this first stanza. The poetic device used in the first stanza is in the first 2 lines. The cardboard shows me how it was when the 2 girls went paddling. Enjambment is used. Enjambment. Enjambment means the first line is continuing in the second line and there is no punctuation mark in the first line. So this is enjambment. Now let me explain you lines from 5 to 9. All 3 stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother that was before I was born, and the sea which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. So now the uncle wanted to take a snapshot of these 3 children. That is why the 3 girls stood still and smiled through their hair, means they put their wet hair on the side and they smiled. The uncle was having a camera and he took the snap. And this photo was taken before the poet was born. At that time, her mother was herself a child of 12 years. That is why she was not married and was not born. And in the last 2 lines, and the sea which appears to have changed less, because sea is permanent, eternal, and immortal. So sea has changed less, which appears to have changed less, wash their terribly transient feet. Terribly transient feet means, transient means temporary. Okay, yes. Now let me tell you the figure of speech used in this, in between lines 5 to 9. Stood still. Alliteration is used. Through there. Alliteration is used. Terribly transient. Alliteration is used. And my mother's. Alliteration is used. Okay, what is alliteration? Words starting with a consonant sound and is repeated 2 or more than 2 times. Stood still, sa, s sound is there, sa sound. Through there, da sound is there, tha sound is there. Through there, da sound is there. My mother's, ma sound is there, and it is a consonant sound. This sound should not start with a vowel, then it is alliteration. Also I want to tell you, in terribly transient feet, epithet is used. What is epithet? Epithet expresses the quality of a person or